Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and this is issue 82 of Building the Tumbler. Welcome. Yes, this is the final pack on this month's delivery, and we're finishing off the right side the same way we finished off the left side to begin with. Justice runs on rails to begin with, obviously some sort of train-related episode. Look at that. We've got the Dark Knight, less dark, the Bright Knight. I don't know. Maybe. Don't know about that, but there's all that. So yes, looking at what we're going to be building, we've got the base panel again, the left bulkhead side. And we're doing what we did before, figuring out how that's going to attach to it, attaching that to it, and then putting that vent that we've been doing on the side onto the side. And next time, what is that? That is the left armoured panel. It's got to go on to around here somewhere, isn't it? Maybe. I mean, this is the right side, but the other side of that, probably. But that will be next month or next 6 weeks until I get the next pack. But for now, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this side built. Right, so we've got our big panel from this time. We've got some screws for that. We've got this bit that's going to go down there. And I have dug out from the other side this bit, which goes on there, a bit like that. About like that, I think. About there. Yep, there we go. That's how that goes together, just like that. So we need 4 screws to hold that together, and then 4 screws to hold that on there as well. Let's see. Come on, get the right side open. There you go. Get them all out and put one back. That's the way this should work. So, yeah, it looks like we've got 4 and 4. Good. So we get our first one in down here. And that will aid us in holding everything together. Let's get another one up here. There we go. Third, and this one goes over here, over there, and the fourth of this part, this piece, is sort of in the middle there, just about there. No, not there. That one. I think that's where the armor panel, the piece attaches. So that is that one there. Taking quite a lot of screwing to get it done up, but there we go. No, we don't. I've got no screw on it. Where's my screw gone? No, my screw didn't come out of there. That's why it felt like it was taking a lot of screwing to go in, because I was just putting a screwdriver in the hole. Let's try that again. That in there, with a screw on it this time. And that will do up much better. Yeah, there we go. So that's that. I'll get them all tightened up momentarily. Let's get that on there first. It sort of locates. It does locate. You've got the posts that have got to line up over the screw holes. There you go. So that's pretty much in the right place. Just need to get the screws in. And then that is another part built, another issue built, another delivery built. I do like when all of the parts come together. So we've got the separate panels that we had before. These parts with the window on them are now attached to another bigger part. Even better when we get that bigger part attached to the chassis itself. but I think that's a little way away yet. It didn't go in there properly. I think it shifted. So I wasn't actually aiming. I was going through the first screw hole, but not into the thread. There we go. 2 more, and then we'll be done. That one there, and the last one in the other corner of that. Just about there. So I shall get all of these screws tightened up, but there we have the side. Now, obviously this time we also did the same on the other side. So these will be going about like that. It really does. I like it when parts come together and you get a good sense of the scale. It's all coming together. So I like it. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you for more part works before we come back for this one next month. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.